रिपोर्ट में कहां पर है that these puncture wounds are antemortem in nature? We'll refer this to the CBI. This is all messed up. And most importantly, what I find suspicious is giving a definite opinion of snake bite death without asking for a correlation with the toxic रखे, तो उससे पहले आपने ये कंक्लूजन पे कैसे पहुंच गया कि ये स्नेक बाइट देते हैं डेफिनेटिव ओपिनियन डेथ वाज ड्यू टू कार्डियोरेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर एज रिजल्ट ऑफ स्नेक बाइट. आपने ये भी नहीं लिखा है कि दैट दिस ओपिनियन हैज टू बी लिंक्ड, दैट दिस ओपिनियन हैज टू बी लिंक्ड विद द हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिकल रिपोर्ट फॉर कंफर्मेशन. आपने कंफर्मेटिव दे दिया विदाउट इवन डूइंग एनी ब्लड टेस्ट से पता लग जाता है कि वेदर आपने कभी चेक किया कि ये जो पंक्चर मार्क्स है या जो पंक्चर मार्क वो पोस्टमार्टम थे कि एंटीमार्टम थे, आपने चेक किया? डॉक्टर, योर नेम इज देवेश. देवेश, do you realize your importance in the criminal justice system? You guys are the kingpin in solving a case which is suspicious. And if you abdicate your duty of being fair and diligent, do you realize that whom you are going to assist? Either ways, by your report you can either assist the accused or the complainant. Whether it was snake bite or not, that was not your field. वो डोमेन था हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिस्ट का. वो विसरल ऑर्गन्स को डिसेक्ट करके देखता कि नेक्रोटिक टिश्यूज है कि नहीं. ही वुड हैव चेक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द अदर थिंग टू सी वेदर स्नेक बाइट टॉक्सिसिटी के क्या सिम्टम्स हैं. बोर्ड में कितने डॉक्टर्स थे? एक मिनट, एक तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ, 3 लोग, 2 लोग थे. यस, आपका शुभ नाम? हाँ, दिव्येश सक्सेना. You are an assistant professor in the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. Now I read your opinion where you said that you already arrived at the thing. You have given an opinion that the death was on account of a snake bite. Is that right? That's right. Did you carry out any histopathological test on the spot to come to that conclusion? बाइट मार्क्स कहाँ दिख रहे हैं उसमें? हाँ, दिखा दीजिए फोटो. हाँ, ब्लैकिश पंक्चर मार्क्स कहाँ है? दिखाइए. हाँ, ये पंक्चर मार्क्स कहाँ पर? ब्लैकनिंग दिख रहा है. पंक्चर मार्क्स बहुत अपेरेंट होते. दो बात, पंक्चर मार्क्स अपेरेंट होते. दूसरा, किसी नोकीले वस्तु से भी वो बनाया जा सकता है. नोकीले वस्तु से भी बनाया जा सकता है. आपने कभी चेक किया कि ये जो पंक्चर मार्क्स है या जो पंक्चर मार्क वो पोस्टमार्टम थे कि एंटीमार्टम थे? आपने चेक किया? कहां है आपका फाइंडिंग दैट दोज आर पोस्टमार्टम पंक्चर वुंड्स और एंटीमार्टम पंक्चर वुंड्स? कहां निकाला आपने?
अगर सर वो पहले से एंटीमार्टम होता है तो वहां पे सर
आपके रिपोर्ट में कहां पर है that these puncture wounds are antemortem in nature? हाँ, कौन सा? Ecchymosis. Ecchymosis is no, but then there must be a finding. That is a symptom. That is an observation. Ecchymosis is an observation. But there must be a conclusion saying that it reflects a antemortem injury. Ecchymosis का एक ही है. एक मिनट, I'm coming to that. दूसरा, did you take transections of the liver to find out whether there were necrotic tissues which could have been linked with toxicity of snake bites? विसरा रखे, तो उससे पहले आपने ये कंक्लूजन पे कैसे पहुंच गया कि ये स्नेक बाइट? कंपेयर किया आपने whether that could have been that was snake bite. How do you know? Snake bite के लिए the test, visceral organs are kept. You sent it for histopathological reporting for that histopathological test. Whether it was snake bite or not, that was not your field. वो डोमेन था हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिस्ट का. वो विसरल ऑर्गन्स को डिसेक्ट करके देखता कि नेक्रोटिक टिश्यूज है कि नहीं. ही वुड हैव चेक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द अदर थिंग टू सी वेदर स्नेक बाइट टॉक्सिसिटी के क्या सिम्टम्स है. ब्लड आपने भेजा था क्या उसके साथ? स्किन आपने नहीं भेजा. आपने विसरल ऑर्गन्स भेजे, स्किन आपने नहीं भेजा है. वो जो हिस्टोपैथोलॉजिकल रिपोर्ट में भी आया कि नहीं है हमारे पास. एक ये बात. दूसरा, द फैक्ट इज आपने ये when you have none of those parameters to come to a definitive conclusion कि snake, I can understand कि approximation में आपने दे दिया, appears to be snake bite, to be connected with histopathological or toxicological report. ऐसा नहीं है. आप देते हैं definitive opinion, death was due to cardiorespiratory failure as a result of snake bite. आपने ये भी नहीं लिखा है कि that this opinion has to be linked, that this opinion has to be linked with the histopathological report for confirmation. आपने confirmative दे दिया without even doing any blood test से पता लग जाता है कि whether there was any snake venom in that. blood का sample आपने preserve करके रखा है क्या? नहीं रखा. You just send the visceral organs. You only send that. You not send the blood sample for testing. That would have shown whether the venom was there. Most importantly, how have you? This lady was primigravid. It was her first pregnancy. And the uterus you say is healthy. You do not mention about the child or the fetus in the uterus. अरे 10-11 में आ जाओ. That is the one of the uterus, healthy. आपने किया था कि पोस्टमार्टम की जमादार ने कर दिया और रिपोर्ट वो जो बताया थी आपने उसको लिख दिया. अरे पेट नहीं, the uterus is 10 and 11, come to the 11th. Serial number 11th पे है. That is the uterus. Why have you not mentioned anything about the fetus? एक मिनट, किसकी ड्यूटी थी? एमएल उनकी ड्यूटी थी. एक मिनट, उनकी ड्यूटी थी. और फिर क्या हुआ? लिखा ही नहीं. आपने कहा लिखा ओपन, एम्प्टी, कुछ नहीं, हेल्दी. और फीटस नहीं है तो फिर ये रिपोर्ट्स जो है दिस शोज दैट दिस पेशेंट और द रिपोर्ट इज ऑफ 15/8/2022. शी इज 11 weeks pregnant at that time and the postmortem is of 10 within 2 months thereafter she is died. Are you trying to say कि 11 weeks का जो फीटल था वो आपको दिखता नहीं उसमें?
11 weeks means that 10.5 centimeters.
Even then the embryo was present. 2 महीने और बड़ा है. हाँ, it was 11 weeks on that. 2 महीने बोले तो 8 हफ्ते और लगाइए. So 19 weeks. हाँ. अरे there's an ultrasound, it's a USG report.
अल्ट्रासाउंड 15/8 की है.
हाँ.
और ये जो हुआ है पीएम रिपोर्ट 10/10/22 को हुआ.
Correct, तो
मतलब
हाँ.
2 महीने बाद ये मे बी पॉसिबिलिटी कि प्रेगनेंसी में
अरे तो अगर एबॉर्शन हुआ there would be different, there would be a variation to the pelvic girdle of the female. उससे पता लग जाता कि एक बार खोले that she was that there has been an abortion. तो डॉक्टर एमएल महावर ने आपको बुलाया. आप कह रहे होता तो दिखता. और ये जो रिपोर्ट है जो कहता कि 11 हफ्ते शी वॉज प्रेग्नेंट, प्राइमरी ग्रेविड, फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी. ऑलराइट, एंड यू डिडंट सी इट. नाउ वाज दैट डेलिबरेट or was that incompetence? If it is incompetence, it's gross incompetence. Where is Dr. Mahar? I call them both. Is he here? You are an assistant professor. That is under 20 years of this thing, service. How many years service have you put in?
Sir, post PG 5.
Huh?
Sir, post PG 5 years of experience.
You have 5 years of experience.
5.
We'll refer this to the CBI. This is all messed up. And most importantly, what I find suspicious is giving a definite opinion of snake bite death without asking for a correlation with the toxicological report. That's suspicious. आप लोग कोऑपरेट करिए, इस जो प्रेगनेंसी का जो रिपोर्ट्स है वो सब सीबीआई को दीजिए एंड गिव द वो प्लेट्स भी दीजिए अल्ट्रासाउंड का प्रिजर्व करके रखिए, उसको बोल दीजिए वो हॉस्पिटल को, सो दैट द मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल. The worst is you've not even kept the blood sample aside, and once you come to the conclusion it is snake bite, you should have kept the blood sample aside to find out whether there is venom in it. अच्छा, घर कहाँ पर है ये? घर कहाँ पर है? रिहायशी एरिया में है कि जंगल में है? क्या है वहां पर? जंगल का एरिया भी पास में है क्या? गांव में. That would have reflected whether it was a hemotoxin or a neurotoxin. The snake bite that due to which the person would have died. Nothing has been preserved by. No, don't show me judgments. This is right now we are only on facts. पुलिस की नेग्लिजेंस बताइए कैसा है आपको? अननेचुरल डेथ, स्नेक बाइट भी अननेचुरल डेथ ही होगा. इट्स एन अननेचुरल.
पुलिस और डॉक्टर से बोलिए उनके पॉलिटिकल अप्रोचेबल है, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, 304 भी रजिस्टर्ड होना चाहिए था, लेकिन 498 करके और तुरंत उनको बेल आउट कर दिया मुलजिमों को. तो ये पूरा तरह से
आपने क्या डावरी डिमांड का एलिगेशन लगाया था?
एफआईआर भी नहीं, एफआईआर लगाई है, डावरी डिमांड है 304 का बनता है, लेकिन मुलजिमों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए तुरंत कोर्ट 98 रजिस्टर किया, उनको बेल आउट कर दिया. इसमें देखिए साहब, ये अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट है,
No necessity for judgments.
CCSC 385 बाबू भाई गुजरात राज्य. Para 25 है. The investigation into a criminal offence must be free from
That is it.
feature or information.
That's all right. उसके लिए we don't require a judgment for that. It's understandable. That's
304 के इंग्रेडिएंट्स होने के बाद 304 भी रजिस्टर नहीं किया इन्होंने. पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी थी पुलिस की और डॉक्टर्स की मिली हुई.
have you described the condition of her?
और इनके कंडक्ट की भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में वो किया जाएगा. पुलिस और डॉक्टर्स जो है ना, केवल मैटर ही नहीं, इनके कंडक्ट को भी इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाएगा. इतना मेरा निवेदन है. ये हमारे पास सुप्रीम कोर्ट है ऑल्सो. In the facts and circumstances of this case, we find that every citizen of this country has a right to get his or her complaint properly investigated. The legal framework of investigation provided under our laws cannot be made selectively available only to some person and denied to others. This is a question of equal protection of law and covered by the guarantee under Article 14 of the Constitution. The issue is acting to ensure the equal access to justice. A fair and proper investigation is always conducive to the end of justice and for establishing rule of law and maintaining proper balance in law and order. These are very vital issues in a democratic setup which must be taken care by the courts. पूरा एविडेंस जस्ट कर दिया लोगों ने.
And the ultrasound says very clearly single live embryo, 11 weeks and 5 days. That is on 15/8/2022. 15/8/2022. And then there's 2 months thereafter, it's 19 weeks. And if you couldn't see a pregnancy of 19 weeks in the after opening the uterus, then your competence is called into question. The competence is called into question, or your motivation, one of the two. I'm not going to comment on either because that is a matter of investigation.
with the one of Dr.
No question.
With regards
No
to
question.
one of the-
CBI will consult him now. He was given an opportunity today. Why isn't he here? No question of Passover. We're going to pass the orders right away. Ms. Velik.
Okay, I will also find a petition under section 482 for issuing direction to the concerning police authority to conduct fair and impartial investigation.
That the CBI will do it. The CBI will do it.
Petition number is 10729.
May not be of any relevance now because we are handing it over to the CBI.
I have also filed.
You may have filed.
Kindly connect this.
No, we will not. We will take it up separately. Is it listed today? Is it listed today? Aaj listed hai. It's not listed today. When that comes up, we will pass necessary orders in that. But this we will pass it on to the CBI today itself. We will not waste our time. Ismaili.
There are number 11 है ना सर, जो uterus की
हाँ.
उसकी size over
304B of the IPC. Such other relief as this court may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Full stop. FIR कहाँ पर है? P1. That is 174. That is 174. Page number 14. अच्छा 3 and 4 dowry provision में है मगर 304 justice system. You guys are the kingpin in solving a case which is suspicious. And if you abdicate your duty of being fair and diligent, do you realize that whom you are going to assist? Either ways, by your report you can either assist the accused or the complainant. You can assist the complainant by finding observations which are never there in the dead body. जहां पर चोट नहीं है आपने लिख दिया चोट दिख गया. Last नहीं मैं कह रहा हूं, I'm just saying that this is what the doctor carrying on the postmortem report can do. Can say that an incised injury is a lacerated wound. It is your diligence on which everything is pivoted. Yours, the toxicologist, the person who does the DNA test, you are the fulcrum of a criminal investigation. You can tip the scales either way. And here is a case, the prima facie very strongly, I'm sorry to say so, you people have, I don't know whether it's negligence or whether it's deliberate, that the CBI will find out in the course of investigation. And it may be beneficial to you to speak the truth before them. All right? If you speak the truth before them, it might be most beneficial. Otherwise, there's section 201 of the IPC where you can also be roped in. All right? If you were under pressure, it might be beneficial for you to tell the investigating agency that you are under pressure. And may become more beneficial if you speak the truth to them and not try to act too smart. All right? I'm just one of them, but courts to which this matter goes, those judges will have a greater knowledge of forensic sciences than I do. And they'll rip you apart. 27 is the USG report. Dated 15/8/2022. At Nigotia Nursing Home, Sadar Bazar, Gohad, in district Bhind. Full stop. The USG report reveals a single live embryo of 11 weeks and 5 days. Full stop.